In this video, we are reviewing one of Boston's most unique-looking luxury residential developments. Located in the heart of Boston's South End, Atelier 505 offers an elegant living experience in one of the city's most vibrant neighborhoods. This building features 103 meticulously designed condominiums with high-end finishes, spacious layouts, and modern conveniences. With a striking facade that blends contemporary architectural elements with the historic charm of the South End, Atelier 505 stands as a testament to sophisticated urban living, complete with breathtaking city views and full-service amenities. We are going to discuss everything you need to know about the building, homes, floor plans, pricing, amenities, and location. Before we start, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a residential real estate advisor here in Boston, Massachusetts. I work with people from all over looking to relocate in and around the city. As always, feel free to message, email, or call me with additional questions about this property, other luxury buildings, or Boston real estate in general. My contact information is here on screen and in the description below. The Atelier 505 mixed-use development contains theaters and arts facilities to expand the Boston Center for the Arts, commercial and retail spaces, and 103 residences. The new building, completed in 2004, treats the entire city block as a conceptual unit, divided into many buildings, orchestrated relative to one another with the BCA's dome as the architectural centerpiece. The new building mass steps back from the face of the BCA along Tremont Street, exposing the building's copper dome to the street. This stepping back also creates a triangular public plaza, animated by landscaping, paving patterns, cafe seating, shop fronts, display windows, and lobby entrances. This plaza is a simple stage-like surface for activities that spill from the building. The architecture reinforces this activity by its mix of program and by its activation of the street, with multiple entrances to retail, housing, and public functions. The new construction is designed to read as several volumes, rather than as a single building, in order to allow for transitions in scale and to echo the nature of the South End fabric. The residences are all slightly different, with no two floor plans being exactly the same. Atelier 505's residences are distinguished by their spacious living rooms, designed to provide both comfort and elegance. Ceiling heights vary across units, with options of 9, 11, and 13 feet, creating an open and airy atmosphere that enhances the sense of space. The living areas are adorned with beautiful hardwood floors, and many feature expansive, floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light and offer panoramic views of the Back Bay skyline and South End. In addition to the generous interiors, select units boast private balconies or terraces, seamlessly extending the living space outdoors. These outdoor areas provide residents with personal retreats to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the South End, whether for relaxation or entertaining guests. Atelier 505's kitchens are designed to meet the needs of discerning chefs, featuring high-end appliances and finishes that combine functionality with elegance. Each kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, providing a durable and stylish workspace. The appliance suite includes Gaggenau gas stoves, Sub-Zero refrigerators, and Miele dishwashers, ensuring top-tier performance for all culinary endeavors. Custom-made European cabinetry offers ample storage and adds a touch of sophistication to the contemporary design. These thoughtfully appointed kitchens not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the residences, but also provide a practical and luxurious environment for cooking and entertaining. The bedrooms at Atelier 505 are designed to provide a serene and luxurious retreat within the vibrant South End. Many primary bedrooms are generously sized, featuring large walk-in closets that offer ample storage space for personal belongings. Ensuite bathrooms enhance the convenience and privacy of these spaces, often equipped with high-end fixtures and finishes. The design of the bedrooms emphasizes comfort and tranquility, with layouts that accommodate various furniture arrangements and personal styles. High ceilings and large windows in many units allow for abundant natural light, creating an open atmosphere. Some bedrooms also have the advantage of adjoining private balconies, providing a personal outdoor space to enjoy city views or a breath of fresh air. Bathrooms are designed to be functional yet luxurious. Primary bathrooms often feature glass-enclosed showers and Italian marble baths, creating a spa-like retreat for residents. Dual vanities provide ample space for personal care routines, enhancing convenience and comfort. Powder rooms in these residences are equally well appointed, maintaining the high standards seen throughout the units. High-quality fixtures and elegant design elements ensure that even these smaller spaces reflect the overall luxury of Atelier 505. The attention to detail in both primary bathrooms and powder rooms contributes to the sophisticated living experience that residents enjoy. Units range between studio and three-bedroom homes. Studios range in size from 554 to 690 square feet. One-bedrooms range in size from 849 to 1,300 square feet. Two bedrooms range between 1,400 and 2,200 square feet. Three bedrooms range in size between 2,400 and 3,100 square feet. Pricing for homes varies depending on size, floor-level customizations, and which direction the unit faces. Studios are priced between $800,000 and $1 million. One-bedrooms are typically priced between $1.2 and $1.6 million. Two bedrooms are priced between $1.9 and $4.7 million. Three bedrooms range between $4.9 and $6 million. Rentals are available from $4,000 to $12,000 per month. HOA fees are determined based on unit square footage and will cost anywhere from $900 to $5,000 monthly. Atelier 505 offers a suite of premium services designed to enhance the living experience of its residents. There is a 24-hour concierge available to assist with various needs, ensuring convenience and personalized attention at any time of the day. This includes managing package and mail delivery, providing your guests with building access, and in-home maintenance requests. The building provides garage parking, featuring both self-park and valet options, for flexibility and ease when it comes to vehicle storage. Additionally, residents benefit from hotel-style services, which can include assistance with reservations, event planning, and other personalized requests. Atelier 505 has a variety of thoughtfully designed amenity spaces, tailored to provide residents with comfort, convenience, and an elevated lifestyle. The private fitness center is equipped with state-of-the-art exercise machines and free weights, offering residents the ability to maintain their wellness routines without leaving their home. For gatherings and events, the building features a spacious and well-designed function room, perfect for hosting private parties or community events. Adjacent to the function space is a serene private library, ideal for quiet reading, working, or studying, complete with plush seating and an inviting ambience. The common lounge provides a space for informal gatherings, featuring stylish furnishings and access to an outdoor patio, where residents can relax and enjoy fresh air in an intimate setting. The beautifully landscaped patio serves as an extension of the living space, offering a tranquil retreat in the heart of the South End. The building's communal spaces are meticulously maintained, ensuring a pristine and luxurious environment that enhances the overall living experience. Designed with both utility and elegance in mind, the services and amenity spaces at Atelier 505 cater to a diverse range of resident needs. Atelier 505 is situated in one of the most sought-after locations in Boston, nestled in the heart of the South End. This neighborhood is renowned for its historic charm, vibrant community, and cultural richness, making it a prime choice for those seeking a mix of modern living and classic Bostonian appeal. The South End is perfectly positioned just southwest of Back Bay, one of Boston's most upscale areas. Atelier 505 is only a short distance from the Back Bay, offering residents easy access to its array of high-end shopping destinations, such as the Prudential Center and Copley Place, as well as its dynamic dining and entertainment options. For those who enjoy walking, Back Bay is just a 10 to 15 minute stroll from Atelier 505, making it incredibly convenient for residents who want to enjoy the best of both neighborhoods. The South End itself is defined by its picturesque streets, lined with Victorian brownstones, brick sidewalks, and tree-lined avenues. Among the most popular streets in the South End are Tremont Street, Columbus Ave, and Washington Street, each offering its own mix of boutiques, galleries, and award-winning restaurants. Atelier 505 is located on Tremont Street, just steps from some of the best the neighborhood has to offer. Tremont Street, often referred to as Restaurant Row, is famous for its culinary scene, hosting a wide array of dining options, from cozy cafes to fine dining establishments. The building's proximity to these hotspots make it an ideal home for food lovers and those who appreciate being at the center of the city's cultural and social life. Columbus Ave, another notable street in the South End, is just a few blocks away from Atelier 505. This street is known for its charming storefronts, trendy coffee shops, and proximity to some of Boston's top-rated fitness studios. The building's location ensures that everything from daily conveniences to upscale indulgences is within easy reach. For residents who enjoy the arts, this proximity provides unparalleled access to cultural events and exhibitions. Additionally, Atelier 505 is located near several of the South End's beloved green spaces, such as the Southwest Quarter Park and Peters Park, which offer a retreat from urban life. These parks are ideal for leisurely strolls, outdoor activities, or relaxing with friends and family. The South End's location is also highly commuter-friendly, with multiple nearby public transportation options, including the MBTA orange and green lines, ensuring that residents can easily navigate the city and beyond. Overall, Atelier 505 at 505 Tremont Street offers an unbeatable combination of location, convenience, and lifestyle, with easy access to the best the neighborhood has to offer. It's a perfect home for those looking to live within an esteemed community in the South End, while still being able to easily enjoy the rest of the city within minutes. If you would like to tour this building, or you're looking to make a move in Boston, whether you already live here or are relocating, please message or call me anytime. Offering a white glove concierge level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the one we looked at today. However, I do work in all price points. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about the property in the comments below, and stay tuned for more informational videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews.